Alright, so breaking news, Arsenal legend Thierry Henry set to join as Bournemouth next new manager. And is this a good deal for Bournemouth? Do you think that this is a good deal for Bournemouth? And why I think this would be a complicated one is because Bournemouth are trying to get back into the Premier League. And Thierry Henry, this might sound contradictory because I'm a firm believer that Arteta can get the job done. But we have seen on numerous occasions where Thierry Henry has failed. It could be a sense in which this actually could give him a good template to really build on. But we have seen what he has done in MLS and what he has done by Liga, Ligue 2, done by the French league. And it didn't went well on both stages. It didn't went well. It didn't improve the team. It didn't make any one of the players better. And this is actually a massive stake being made by Bournemouth, just as though Arsenal made a big stake by employing Arteta, because truth be told, Bournemouth are really fighting hard to come back to the Premier League. And I think that this would be a big stake for them. Hopefully it can work out. But anyways, it's a good move for Thierry Henry. If he should get it right and get the team to the Premier League, I think that would be very good for his CV. But anyways, Military Guna TV, if you like this, please hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. Guess what? I am out.